Welcome to the Vue In-Place Editor tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to customize the Vue In-Place Editor component. Look at this example. Instead of the typical icon buttons, the editor displays save and cancel buttons, and the editable content stands out boldly in blue with a dotted green underline. Now let me show you how to make these cool tweaks in an existing Vue app, where the editor is configured to use a default text box. If you want to learn about the basic features of the In-Place Editor, watch the video linked in the card above or the description below. I will run this application using the npm run dev command. Look, a text box is displayed with the default input and row. Note that while editing, the icon buttons are visible. If you want to add save and cancel buttons instead of icon buttons, define two objects, save button and cancel button. Inside these objects, add content property and set save for this save button and cancel for this cancel button. To display the buttons with a transparent background, add the CSS class property and assign it the outline class. Then, assign these objects to the Save button and Cancel button properties. When editing the value, the Save and Cancel buttons are displayed with a transparent background. Next, I will show you how to change the editor pop-up position. By default, the pop-up is displayed at the top center. There are 12 options to position the pop-up, such as top left, right center, bottom left, and more. I'm going to display the pop-up at the bottom right. So let me add the pop-up settings object. Inside this, add the mono property and set the position to bottom right. Then, assign this object to the pop-up settings property. See, when I click the edit icon, the pop-up opens at the bottom right. By default, the editor opens with a single click, but you can also open it with a double click or when the edit icon is clicked. To open the editor on double click, set the editable on property to double click. Now the editor opens on double click. If you want to edit the input value using the edit icon, set the editable on property to edit icon click. See, I can edit by clicking the edit icon in the text box. Next, to hide the buttons in the editor component, I set the show buttons property to false. Looking here, the buttons are hidden when the value is edited. The changed input value will be updated in the editor when you click outside the component. Next, I will show you how to customize the editor input value and add dotted lines below it. In the Style tag, add the necessary In-Place Editor, the Editable Value Wrapper, and the Editable Value classes. Then, add CSS styles like border bottom, color, and font size. Checking now, the input value is blue and the dotted lines are green. The edit mode is currently enabled in the TextBox component. To disable it, set the disabled property to true. Look, when I try to edit the input value, it is not possible. Let's wrap up this video. we saw how to customize the Syncfusion Vue In-Place Editor component. If you want to try out the example used in this video, download it from the GitHub link in this video's description. I have also shared a link in the description to learn about obtaining a free license key to use our Vue components through our community license if you are eligible. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.